Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. So today I've got another challenge for myself, another out of the packet pick. This is another lock that I got while out in Germany. It's a master lock, as you can see, 40 DPF, number 40, a disc lock. So what does it say? Well, it says it's security number 6. What else have we got on here? Best cut resistance and best weather resistance. Also contains one padlock. Thank you for that. What have we got? So shrouded body protects shackle against cutting and prying. Weather resistance, stainless steel case. Pin tumbler cylinder for increased resistance to picking. And cut resistance hardened steel shackle. There we are. So, first sorry as well. Sorry for that beep you just heard. That was my printer that's powered off. But anyway. Right, so let's open it up. See what we've got. Before I start, you can see Vapula's there. She's got dog on with me because I took the knife off her. The lock disassembly tool I've just got. Yeah. She trying to attack a lotto lock with it that she got frustrated with, so I've taken that off. So she's got dog on with me now. She's not talking. Oh yeah. Nope, she's not talking. Be a long night. Anyway, let's have a look. See what we can do. Let me get that out. Yep. Let's have a look at the bitting. Again, a bit like vampire teeth. So look, does it work? Oh, very. I've never been a fan of these locks. They always feel like they're gonna break. They're just gonna collapse. So wobbly. I don't just mean master lock, but you know, all these types of lock. Anyway. So it's all locked. Let's see if we can get this open. Let's try that way. No, that's too small. Yep. Okay, I think the monkey paw might be a bit... I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's see what we can do. Go ahead. Going through all these. Oh, that's a click. Don't tell me, ask me to tell you which one it's on. That's another one. That's way too far back. I don't think this pin's there. That's another one. That's another one. I must have dropped some pins because I can't imagine that there's tons of these pins. Oh. That's the problem, they're a bit stiff, so you might have to tension. Let's try a thinner pick. Let's try the 15th. Maybe a bit there. God, I never thought a master lock could take this long. Let's Try raking it first. Oh, there we are. So, just sticking something in there and ramming it about seems to work. Well, there we are. Might not have picked it up and single pin picking, but it's open, and I imagine some people that want to get into these sort of things just normally jam stuff in and wiggle it about, but it looks like it's like there's been a tensioner in already. It's got that mark there, but it wasn't me. You saw me open it. Anyway, I imagine it's probably from the key when the key's gone in. Anyway, there we are. Enough ramblings from me. You going to say anything, Vapula? No, still silence. Well, anyway, from both of us, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care, everybody, and we will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.